Good morning, everyone. It's Luna Bell. Let's go ahead and get our reading here. I keep thinking I'm hearing something like squawking, and I'm like, then I stop and don't hear anything. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm noticing the pink rose quartz, but I'm noticing as well all my green plants, those green colors, but so is the blue color coming up here. There's some truths coming. And y'all, I kept getting, it was 3:03 on my timer. I kept getting reminded this morning of my mutual. And y'all can see my aggravation with that. And, truth and clarity. Truth and clarity is what keeps coming up. Someone fumbled the ball for some, obviously. Clear waters, clear vision, confirmation, right timing, opportunity. Y'all, when I started speaking about that, all of a sudden I felt this huge anxiety. It was 111. Y'all, that's my alignment number. That's my hell yeah number. Hell yeah number from the Creator, from the Divine. Someone is very anxious and can't breathe from this truth. Lady of the Lake. I know I saw this on the bottom of the deck, but I was like, let me shuffle the deck, let me toss some cards. New beginning, something is about to happen. Someone is very aware of this, and it's almost, they're so nervous. They're about wanting to heave their guts. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I had to get this other deck of cards. Y'all probably saw me looking off to it. I had to grab that and shuffle. And then it was like, put it to the side. And I was like, the fuck are you doing? Had to calm you down. Someone's going to have to sit you down to calm you down. Okay, y'all, when I had got distracted doing that, the anxiety feeling had stopped. 2:13 on my timer. The 13th is going to be important. It's 9:23 a.m. Central Standard Time here. Show me, you want these cards or you want the... Okay, let's see. This is a big deck, so... You may do breath work, meditation. I'm hearing grounding. Y'all, I was definitely ground after this. It's like nerve-wracking. Show me what you want. Arrows. Ooh, a note from the... Hold on. Okay, it's 3:08 on my timer. Y'all, 3 cards come out that stuck out to me. The first one was 3:18 was Eros. Love as desire, eroticism, and sensuality. 3:25 on my timer. And it says, through Eros can be depicted as unbridled sexuality and eroticism. A more contemplative understanding of this archetypal energy leads us to the root of desire itself. What do we long for? And the next card that came out, it also, through love. Thank you for that confirmation. The next card was the Shaman, which is card 16. The Magi, the Sorcerer, and the Medicine Woman. 3 archetypal ingredients constitute the shaman, and all must be present in order to reveal its magic. The shaman is activated by the long-standing and diligent study, the mentor. Second, its orientation is generosity and generously and acutely aimed toward the healing of self, 433. The other, in the culture, the healer. And third, the shaman has a knack for finding doorways to the other world, 444 on my timer. The third card that came out, and here my heart starts to beat a little bit, and my stomach starts to growl as well. I start feeling a little hungry, y'all, because I hadn't eaten yet. But we got card number 3. That number 3 is very important. Also, y'all, I noticed that it was 4:59 on my timer and that it's 9:29 a.m. Central Standard Time. 9 is important for you, darling, as well as the number 66 and the number 3. The Starborn. Look at that. Look how beautiful. The Divine Child, the Star Child, the Destined. An elusive yet radiant aspect of self. The Starborn archetype points to the cosmic spark of light that arrives with each being at birth. The moment the newborn crowns, whether vaginally or surgically, the royal star above are said to be constellate in a unique shape that maps our path in the world. The idea of destiny is controversial, yet the Starborn naturally feels a sense of destination and purpose, aiming itself toward a future that it is beyond the mundane. You, my darling, have come alive. Love has lightened your life. Love and truth are coming. I keep noticing the color blue. I'm being reminded as well as the color green. You have a lot of potential. You see the possibility. You see past the illusions now. You see the truth. You see some celebration and joy. I'm here and I'm getting community effort here. This is a team effort. You are tired. You are not moving on. Your resilience and everything has stood you in good stead. You, my darling, and you have come into alignment with yourself. You have honored yourself. You've chosen yourself, the mystic rose. You've had compassion, devotion, humility, humanity, and grace for yourself. You have loved and honored, nurtured, and healed your inner child. It was 7:11 on my timer. I'm hearing a blessed event is coming. It was 7:18 on my timer. I'm noticing this card that says Seraphina Dreams. You may be an artist, but I'm also getting that there is romantic love coming in, or the possibility, but also the dreams. What dreams? Dream weaver. Your manifestations, you know the truth of manifestation. You know that if you dream it, if you see it, you think it, it is. You are that divine creator. Transformation, card 53. You transformed 53, 8, and 8. Y'all, those mirror numbers, I'm sorry, those double digits and all. You're getting all the signs and synchronicities, darling. You have aligned. You have ascended, darling. You have fallen in love with you. I'm hearing mission accomplished, darling. Number 1, Earth Star Chakra. Initiation, darling. Look at the fireworks going off in that card. And look at all the blue. All that truth is coming, darling. And you, I'm seeing the star here. You, darling, are going to be the star of the show. Everybody's going to see the truth. The Creator has their eye on you. You are going to be lifted up on a pedestal. Y'all, I keep hearing 325 as well. I'm noticing the 3 on this side, the 3 on this side. Y'all know me anyhow. Look, you are being put on this pedestal. Truth is coming. Everybody's going to know the truth, baby. Ain't no hiding it. It's going to be very, very public. 913. Y'all, I keep seeing the number 13. Y'all, I keep getting reminded of mutual. Buckle up, Buttercup. Here comes the truth. Many blessings to you, blessed be.